We have Streptococcus, Bacillus, Streptococcus. The Bacillus bacteria, which is called Bacillus thuringiensis, called BT, it has inside that bacteria a certain code of gene. That one singular gene in that Bacillus thuringiensis, when extract, it has the ability to recombine with other genes outside that bacteria itself. So, and the ability of that BT or Bacillus thuringiensis, when it combines with another gene somewhere, it has the ability now to destroy, but specifically, stalk borer. Stalk borer is one of the giant problems in Kenya now. The farmer, in fact, the cost of production of a farmer of maize now, during the days I was growing up with the Waziri before me, we were planting maize without spraying to destroy this stalk borer. They were not there. But they have come now, it's a big thing. It's becoming every farmer must now spend a cost on that stalk borer destruction. And then it is even coming more than the fertilizer. And that must be factored in the price when a farmer finishes up his bag of maize to sell in the market. So this kind of bacteria then, when it is injected into now the maize itself, the maize will be resistant on this stalk borer. The same is done on cotton. So that's why we have something called BT cotton. When the Bacillus thuringiensis gene is extracted and then injected into the seed, that is of cotton, the cotton will grow resistantly without being effective. That will draw down the cost of a farmer, if that is the way to go. What you have talked very well here. Kenya has spent a lot of money to train manpower. When you go to Egerton University, where I was, you get serious professors in the genetic science department. If you come to Kenyatta University, you have the best lab. If you come to KEFIS, we have the best lab. If you come to the Port Health, we have something called the Port Health. Every food that gets into this country has to come to the Port Health institution that has the best lab so far. And Kenya, we boast of the region. East and Central Africa region, we boast to be having the best brains. When my brother Waziri was the minister, we said no. We told him, Waziri, no. We will be hurrying to bring GMO. He held. He was told to wait. He waited. When it came to 2012, we told them we are hurrying to bring GMO. We held it. This is 2022. We are still saying we are hurrying. Then when are we coming early? Let us ask this country the bare truth questions. You cannot tell me that when I move to South Africa, in fact, if I pick examples of what we eat in this country, when you eat popcorn, yellow maize, the popcorn we eat and consume on the market for information is GMO. These are things that we need first of all to tell us the truth. If you go to South Africa, when recently I was in Midrand, Mheshimiwa was elected as the PAP Member of Parliament. When I was in Midrand, I asked for ugali. They said, what is it? They don't know it. Kumbe, it's called PAP, P-A-P. It's purely, when you look at it, when it comes, when you ask about it, it's purely what we eat. And it's purely genetic assigned modified products in those countries. If we move to US, the only question that we have to put here, and let's be very honest on this, is, are we talking about GMO in quote to stop the 11 million bucks that's supposed to come in the country so that we sell our maize? I want to be very honest on this, and without missing my words. If we have enough food in this country, which I agree we have, and Kenya, go to Loima now. Go to these hot areas where a school child is sleeping there to die. A governor goes there, wants to wake up the child is dying. The child can only move to the bush and take a wild fruit to come and cook 10 times. So that you remove the poison and the child eats. And you're stopping food, you call the GMO, which can be researched scientifically in the plot, and these people can benefit. Let us look at how our country is looking like. I agree, we're going to have a pamba harvest. But we are going to have it. We don't have it yet. What do you want government to do now? Do you want to take 3 weeks? people to die 1,000 people and then harvest after a month and take to them? Let us see what best we can put in place. I have no problem with the GMO, but let us, as we go ahead also, can we also separate politics from science? Give scientists their time. Can we have now, I want this country to give 1 day or 1 week, showcase Kenya, so that we can bring all the genetic engineering scientists to come here and tell this country the truth. Even invite them in the house. Can we say that we are ready? If we are not ready in 2012, we weren't ready in 2003, not ready in 2012. 2022, we are not ready. Hunger is biting on the ground. When should Kenya be ready? And we are spending a lot of money on research. Thank you.
Let me get Waziri back in on this one as well, because, again, on that issue of public participation, it almost seems like it was topsy-turvy. Usually you'll have the public participation that will inform the decision. This time around, the decision was made, it was ratified, we are moving on, and now we're talking about this in various fora, so much so that it's been taken to court. Was that by design or by default? You've been in government, you're a veteran politician.
Yeah.
They know how this should work. What is your assessment of that?
What worries me is that we are clouding this discussion in 3 layers in one. One of the layers about condemning Moses Kuria is not even mentioning GMO, is the manner with which he came